Everything you knew about cracking knuckles is wrong. That pop isn't bones grinding, it's nitrogen bubbles in your joint fluid, rapidly forming and collapsing. Scientists used MRI to solve this mystery. Here's the shocker. Cracking knuckles does not cause arthritis. Dr. Donald Unger cracked only his left hand for 50 years while leaving his right alone. Result? No difference in arthritis. Multiple studies confirm this myth is false. The only risk is using excessive force. So crack away. Your joints are fine.